Running a full SEO audit might seem complicated, but today I'm going to show you how to do it with just one tool. That's right, just one tool to cover everything you need. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial for this tool that's only available to viewers of my channel, so you can follow along. The first thing you want to do is get your hands on the tool I'm using today. It's called Tool Name, and after trying out all the popular SEO tools, this one is by far the most comprehensive and easy to use. You'll get everything you need for a full SEO audit in one place. And yes, I've got a special link for you in the description to get your hands on an exclusive free trial. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is run a site crawl. This feature checks your entire site for common issues like broken links, missing metadata, or slow page speed. In this section, you'll get an overview of everything from crawlability to indexing, and this is where the tool really shines. It'll pull up any errors or warnings that could be impacting your rankings and show you exactly what to fix. Next, dive into the on-page SEO analysis. This section will show you how well your content is optimized for search engines. You'll get insights into keyword usage, meta descriptions, and heading tags. This is crucial for making sure Google understands your content and ranks it correctly. The tool will also check for content duplication, so you'll know if you have any SEO penalties from that. Now let's talk backlinks. Backlinks are a key ranking factor, so the tool will also show you a detailed analysis of your backlink profile. You'll see how many backlinks you have, the quality of those links, and where they're coming from. If there are any toxic links, the tool will flag them, helping you avoid penalties from search engines. Another important part of a full SEO audit is site speed. You can analyze your site's speed, which is a major factor for both user experience and SEO rankings. The tool will give you a score and provide specific recommendations for how to improve load times. If your site is slow, it could hurt your rankings, so this is definitely something you want to pay attention to. The final part of the audit is mobile optimization. With more people using mobile devices to browse the web, mobile friendliness is a top priority. The tool will test your site's responsiveness and provide suggestions for improving mobile performance. If your site isn't mobile friendly, it could cost you traffic and rankings, so don't skip this step. To wrap up, here's the key takeaway. A full SEO audit doesn't have to be complicated. With just one tool, you can easily check your site's crawlability, on-page SEO, backlinks, speed, and mobile optimization all in one place. This is a simple, efficient way to ensure your site is fully optimized for search engines. Remember, I've provided a special link in the description for an exclusive free trial of the tool. If you want to follow along and perform your own full SEO audit, be sure to take advantage of that offer. To recap, run a site crawl to find errors, optimize your on-page SEO, check your backlink profile, improve site speed, and ensure mobile optimization. These are the essential steps for a successful SEO audit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to grab your free trial in the description and start improving your site's SEO today.